Unlock the true potential of your Canon EOS RP and transform your photos from snapshots to stunning stories. First things first, let's get familiar with the essential controls on the back. You'll see a bright LCD screen that's your window into the camera. Around it are your primary buttons for navigation and accessing menus. The mode dial on top is your creative command center for beginners. The most important modes are auto for effortless shots, and the P for program mode. Program mode gives you more control, while still making intelligent automatic adjustments. Understanding your aperture is key to controlling how much of your image is in focus. A wide aperture, like f/18, creates a blurry background, perfect for portraits. A smaller aperture, like f/8, keeps more of your scene sharp, ideal for landscapes. Shutter speed dictates how long the camera's sensor is exposed to light. A fast shutter speed, like 1/1000th of a second, freezes action. A slow shutter speed, like 1/30th of a second, can create motion blur, like silky smooth water. ISO determines the camera's sensitivity to light. Keep your ISO low, around 100 or 200, for the cleanest images. When it's dark and you can't get enough light with your aperture and shutter speed, you'll need to increase your ISO, but be aware that higher ISOs can introduce grain. Focusing is simple. By default, your EOS RP uses autofocus. You can half-press the shutter button to lock focus on your subject for precise control. You can even select specific autofocus points on the screen to tell the camera exactly where you want it to focus. After you've taken a shot, press the play button to review your masterpiece. This is where you can check your focus, exposure, and composition, and learn from every image you capture. The Canon EOS RP is your gateway to incredible photography. Experiment with these settings, practice regularly, and you'll be amazed at the results you can achieve.